What's the best thing about pasta, mac and cheese, and even salad? The sauce, of course. That's right, the creamy, dreamy, magnificent sauce or dressing we use is what makes our mouths water. I'm Dotsie Bausch, an Olympic silver medalist in cycling, and I'm all about food that tastes incredible without slowing you down. I love a great creamy, cheesy sauce, but my body didn't like the inflammation and bloat I felt afterwards. While training for the 2012 Olympics, I realized I could recover faster and perform better during workouts without dairy. So I ditched it and found new recipes to satisfy those cheesy cravings. And it's not just me. According to the most up-to-date peer-reviewed research by doctors and dietitians, dairy is a highly inflammatory food that impedes recovery and performance. No wonder so many pro athletes are going dairy-free. What I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. Without using any dairy, you are gonna learn how to make 3 basic sauces you can use on almost anything, from power bowls to epic burritos. They're nutrient-dense, dairy-free, and so easy to make. Most importantly, they taste amazing. Are you ready to make supercharged ranch dressing, nacho cheese, and a dreamy cream sauce? My friends Pedja and Harana will show you how. Roll it.